You work in accounts receivable and you want to see your aged customer balance without actually having to log into your ERP system. With Power BI, you can connect to your data and create dashboards that you will give you access to a variety of visuals which you can view from Power BI, the web, or a mobile device. My data source is going to be a SQL Server database where I store my Dynamics GP. Over in Power BI, you can see I have two pages. I've added a pie chart to show my aged balances. A card shows my total balances. I have a multi-column card here showing aged balances by customer. And on the second page, I have a Q&A box here where you can ask questions of your data. You can ask for customer balance. Let's say you want it by state, you can do that. And you can even add by map. It'll show you a map of your data. Now if I go back in here and I click on the add a page, I'm going to show you how easy it is to add a visual. Over here I'll just choose a pie chart, and once it's selected I'll go to my data and I just start choosing current balance, 30 to 60, 60 to 90, and so on, and you'll see my data starts coming onto my chart like that. After adding everything to the dashboard, you can customize the view for a mobile device like a phone or a tablet, making it device agnostic. I'll click over here, and I click mobile layout, and you'll see a mobile phone layout here. I have two of them on here. I left one off because it'd be too big. Second page, you'll see I have my Q&A box. Click out of there, go back to home, and at this point, you'd be ready to publish. Over on my browser, you can see it's pretty much the same as it was on the Power BI. There's my three visuals. I'll click on the second page, and there's my Q&A box. Now if I go over to my mobile phone, I'll click on Power BI, and I'll open up my report. And there you can see there's page 1 with 2 visuals. And I'll go to page 2, and you can see my Q&A box. If you want, you can click on the top here where it says Add Shortcut. Click Add, and click Add again. I'll minimize everything, and it's added a shortcut to my report. If you'd like to learn more about the power of Power BI, contact us at Profit Business Group at www.profit.ca. That's www.prophet.ca. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you want more content like this.